Hey, welcome back to another episode of Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man. He's got his hat on today because that means we're traveling. We're doing a far kind of recipe. Woo! He's got the hat on and we're traveling to the Middle East today. We're doing dirty hummus and we're doing dirty tahini today.
Tahini.
Tahini?
Tahini.
Tahini?
Tahini.
All right, if you say so, dirty tahini, that's the first thing we're gonna do, so let's get started. All right, so starting off with the dirty tahini, we are gonna use sesame seeds. We're gonna do a 1/4 of a cup. What we did is, this is a medium-low pan, and we're gonna do it dry, so we're gonna put this right inside here. We wanna keep this stirring at all times. You do not want this to sit, and it is in a dry pan. And what we're looking to do is get a light color, and you just have a nice fragrant smell to it. It only takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, you can see the nice color change here. It's very fragrant, it looks really nice. So now we're gonna put it in the processor. All right, now we're gonna take the top off. You can see the consistency here. We're gonna move this around just a little bit to make sure all the top part is getting on there and everything gets mixed up just right. Put the top back on. Off we go. All right, so we let this run for about another 2 more minutes. And now you can really see the consistency of this. We're gonna put the olive oil and dirt in here. So we're gonna start off with original Todd's dirt. Okay, so we're putting a 1/2 teaspoon in here. Normally most people will put a salt, regular salt in here. We're doing this dirty style, so this is gonna be perfect. And then we're gonna add, so we take the top off, 2 teaspoons of olive oil. We're looking for a nice wet consistency. And it'll thicken up. We're gonna pour a 1/4 cup, like that, because that's what we're gonna be using. And while I'm here, you taste this. Dirty tahini. I like it. Okay, now to the dirty hummus. We're gonna open this up. We've got our 1/4 cup of freshly made dirty tahini. Did I say that right?
Yep, tahini. Said it wrong the first time.
And we're gonna put a teaspoon of garlic or 1 clove of garlic. And we're gonna do the juice of 1 lemon. And we are gonna do a teaspoon of the original Todd's dirt. And we're gonna mix. All right. That's what it should look like so far. And now we're gonna add 1 can of beans that I have drained all the fluid out of. And we're gonna do this in halves. That way everything mixes up really well. This is a fun recipe to do with your kids. Really look at it, what it looks like so far. Add the rest of the beans. And for another couple minutes. It should really start to thicken up. I'm going to add a teaspoon of olive oil. The tahini is a little runnier than normal. Just see how I like kind of thickness on that. Let it run for about 30 seconds. Now just to thin it up a little bit, we're going to add a teaspoon of water. See how that looks. And we can do upwards of 2 to 3 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons of water. Oh yeah. Does that look like hummus or does that look like hummus? All right, most people don't use this stuff in hummus. Our family, we kind of really like the little bit of Romano Parmesan cheese. So we're just gonna put just a little bit in there, just like that. It helps with the consistency and the flavor. Run it for just another minute. I'm telling you, the cheese really does make a nice creamy difference to it. Obviously, if you're a vegetarian or a vegan, you really don't want to add the cheese. Yummy, yummy. Look at that. All right, now we get to try the hummus. I'm looking forward to it. Oh yeah. Put some green onions in here just to make it look good. Actually, green onions really make it taste well. Oh yeah. I'm telling you, if you're a hummus fan, you're really gonna like it. I'm not the biggest hummus fan in the world, but I'm telling you, this is actually really, really good. You know, I don't normally go back for seconds. This is really good. So, hope you love this recipe. Check out our other recipes. Please subscribe. Tell all of your friends and family about getting dirty. Learn all about our recipes on toddsdirt.com. And remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.